Ansele, but Mursu gets the ball and there's a free goal for Mursu. Finland. But his stick is loose and Vuorinen scores. Now it's free ball to Vannerum and he makes it 2. Now Pokki has the free goal and it goes in. The normal stick really well. Selis Ansele and it goes in. Vannerum makes it 3. And Belgium get the ball. And it's a goal. Vannerum defended that situation really well. Now Pokki has a free goal. And he makes it 4 to Finland. It's the second time in this tournament that player crashes. Parviainen against Nerum. And it's a goal. Vannerum with the 4th goal today. The ball. And shoots and Kumpulainen scores. Östegard. But he loses the ball and Vannerum ties it. Timbel. Vannerum gets the ball. And it goes in. Vannerum with the 6th goal to Team Belgium. Vuorinen against Jack Rock. What can Kasperi Vuorinen do? Really nice dribble and it's 6-6. Vannerum. Now good pass to Ruan and he scores! Fuchsin Ruan. First goal on this match. 1 minute 52 seconds left on the match and Belgium takes a lead. Clock. So Finland has still 1 chance. Kumpulainen, Vuorinen shoots, but Jack Rock, man of the match, saves it. That's a huge win for Team Belgium and huge disappointment for Team Finland.